Welcome to the short video series How Do I Work with the Calf Monitoring app? My name is Paulina, I work in customer success at Futuro Farming. Topic of this video is the calf detail page. Let's start the calf monitoring app. Then on the home page I select the calf that I want to take a closer look at. Now the page opens with all the individual details for this calf. At the top left corner is the name or the ear tag number of the calf if this was entered. Otherwise, there's always the number of the sensor. With the arrows on the top right, we can navigate to the next calf in the list. With the bell right below, we can deactivate the notifications for this calf. The colored box indicates the current risk of disease. In the case of this calf, there's a high risk of disease. The diagram shows you the progression of the risk of disease. In general, the risk is divided into 4 levels: normal, increased, high, and very high. Different time periods can be selected for analysis. Like that, the disease risk of the last day, week, month, or the entire monitored period can be displayed. This is useful when, for example, the success of a treatment is to be checked or the calf's disease history is to be tracked. Press and hold to examine a specific period in more detail. In addition to the disease risk, the movement and standing times can also be viewed. Below the chart are the animal-specific data that the farmer can enter. This works the same way as herd management systems for cows, but here it is optimally designed for calf data. To add information, there is the button Edit. Here at the very top, the ear tag of the calf can be entered. This helps you to clearly identify the calf on the start page. In addition, when the calf leaves the individual housing phase and is automatically deregistered, it is also stored under its ear tag so that a clear assignment is possible even years later. This is much more difficult if only the automatically assigned sensor number is stored. Subsequently, further information such as weight, sex, but also information on the administered colostrum can be added. This information can help to get objective conclusions about the influence of management decisions like colostrum amount on calf health. In addition, all other informations can be noted in the free text field. Pressing Save will save all information and return to the calf's individual page. In addition to the Edit button, there are also the recommended actions. These are further discussed in the health documentation video. In the same bar, the calf can also be manually logged out using the Remove button. If the sensor does not measure any activity for more than 24 hours because the calf left the hutch, the calf will also be automatically logged out. At the very bottom, there is an additional small area for technical details. There you can see the sensor number and, if a pen name has been assigned to the sensor, the pen name. Additionally, the signal strength of the sensor and the start of monitoring is displayed. We hope this supports you in the successful implementation of our application and helps you to raise calves in the best of health.